Hey guys, today we check out the beds that we planted out in like November, and that's what's going on at Noah's house. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have some bad, some good, some bad, and some good in the garden today. And this is gonna be a quick video. If you guys remember, go back and look at a video. I planted some beetroot seed, and I had some cabbage going underneath my hinged hoop house, and I also had in another bed some frost netting over some brassicas that were growing. Well, I'll show you how it's going. It is the end of January right now. It's a pretty warm day, but check this out. Okay, well, as you can see, everything that was planted under here, there's Lila with her toy, did not make it. Still have some onions kind of frozen into the ground. Actually, nothing was actually frozen, but the hoops were not enough. Neither was the netting, which is behind there. It's got some rips in it. We went in, well, right around Christmas it was. With the wind chill, some nasty weather, we got down to negative 35 degrees. These hoops are not heated. One year I did have lights in them and that helped. But basically it was too much and everything died. So that was the bad. Now, a little bit of crazy goodness. We get down in here. You guys remember the videos? I put beetroot seed in. I don't know if you guys can see that. Those are beet seedlings. Look at that. Oh, look at that. There's beets popping up. So basically I put them in there. I watered them in, covered them with straw. Even through negative 35, they handled it. Spin you around. Okay, so that was a bad thing, and that was a good thing. Now another bad thing. Well, I'll tell you the good thing first. There was a deal. If you guys saw a previous video, I put together 3 new Vego raised garden beds. Ah, there they are, put together and staged. That's not where they're going. They're going right here. So that's a good thing. Replacing these beds, they're kind of, wood's kind of rotting out. They're kind of old. There's Lou. So that's a good thing. Another bad thing. I have to take the hoops off. I'm going to move them over to that bed. I have to dig all that dirt out. I'm going to put it on a tarp to fill in the top of those after I put sticks and logs and leaves and stuff as the bottom fill. So, all of those beetroot seedlings, I got to dig up. And that really sucks. But the whole reason I did this was I wasn't planning on getting those beds. But the sale they had, I couldn't pass it up. I saved close to $200. So that's a bad thing. All those seedlings are not going to make it. They're not going to become beets. But another good note on that is, I think it was November, December. I'll have to go back and look myself when I planted those seeds out. I know if I plant them under the hoops and I put a bunch of hay on there and I keep the hoops closed, even if it gets to negative 35 degrees, they will germinate. They will sprout. It's going to keep getting warmer, and under the hoops, it's going to keep getting warmer. And by February, March, I'm going to have some pretty nice beets coming up for a first pick. Well, I have some screw guns and some pliers, and basically, I'm going to start taking this bed apart, digging it out, moving dirt around, and getting the Vego metal beds in there. Well, hey, I just want to show you guys that. Like I said, it's bad, good, bad, good. What are you going to do? Well, thanks for watching. Bye for now.